Given question, consider two engines with following details. Engine 1, 4-stroke 4-cylinder, indicated power is equal to 40 kilowatt. Engine 2, 2-stroke 2-cylinder, indicated power is equal to 10 kilowatt. Assume mean effective pressure of both the engine to be same. Ratio of both of the engine 1:2 is equal to 2:1. Show that the mean piston speed of engine 2 is same as that of engine 1.
Let us understand given data. In this question, two engines are given. For engine 1, it is 4-stroke 4-cylinder and indicated power is equal to 40 kilowatt. For engine 2, it is 2-stroke 2-cylinder and indicated power is equal to 10 kilowatt. For engine 1 and 2, mean effective pressure is same. So we can say that for this question, PM1 is equal to PM2. So we will write here mean effective pressure PM1 is equal to PM2. Ratio of bore of engine 1 to engine 2 is equal to 2:1. So here ratio of bore is given. So for engine 1 it is D1. So D1 by D2. D1 by D2 is equal to 2:1. So this ratio is mentioned. And we have to find out ratio of mean piston speed of engine 2 to the engine 1. So what is this mean piston speed? So it is SP bar. So SP bar, how to calculate this? It is formula 2ln. 2ln, where L is stroke and N is speed in RPM. So remember here N is in RPM and L is the stroke. Now if we observe here mean effective pressure is given same. So how to calculate this? So this mean effective pressure is having unit Newton per meter square. So when this is in Newton per meter square, that time this IP, that is indicated power, is in watt or joule per second. L stroke is in meter. This area is in meter square. Now what about this N? So it is the number of power strokes per second. Now for 4-stroke engine, so I will write here for 4-stroke engine N is equal to capital N by 2. But it is number of power stroke per second and this N is in RPM. So we have to divide here with 60. And for 2-stroke engine, this N is equal to only N. And this N is in RPM, but this is the value of number of power stroke per second. So we have to divide here with 60. And K is the number of cylinders. So we will put all this value in PM1 and PM2. So we will write this statement PM1 is equal to PM2. So IP 40 kilowatt. So 40 into 10 raised to 3 watt divided by L. So we will take L as it is because we have to use this L in the formula for mean piston speed 2ln. So I will take this L as it is. Then A. So area for engine 1 is A1, that is pi by 4 D1 square. N. So N is for 4-stroke because this is 4-stroke, N by 120. Multiplied by K. So K is 4 because number of cylinders given 4 is equal to. Now in the same way we will write this 2-stroke 2-cylinder engine. So it is indicated power 10 into 10 raised to 3 divided by L as it is. Now area A2 pi by 4 D2 square. N, that is N by 60, capital N by 60, and K is 2. number of cylinders 2. Now we will simplify this. So this pi by 4 is getting cancelled. So we have to cancel this because both are in the denominator. 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 3 is also getting cancelled. Now what about this L and N? Because we have to find out ratio of mean piston speed. So it is 2Ln. So if we observe here, we have to take here 2Ln, that means we have to multiply and divide with 2 on both the sides for numerator and denominator. So when I multiply and divide with 2, then it will become 2 into 40, that is 80, divided by 2Ln. So I will write here SP1 bar, because for engine 1 it is SP1 bar. So 2Ln, then here is D1 square multiplied by 4, and this 120 I will transfer to the numerator because this is the denominator term. Now in the same way we have to take 2 by 2, so here it will become 20 divided by 2Ln, that is SP2 bar, then D2 square multiplied by 2, and this 60 I will transfer to the numerator. Now again we have to simplify this. So here 4 is getting cancelled, here is 20, here 2, here is 10. Now we will again write this. So I will cross multiply. So it will become SP2 bar multiplied by D2 square multiplied by here 2400 is equal to SP1 bar D1 square, SP1 bar D1 square multiplied by 60 into 10, 600. So again we have to take here the ratio. So I will take this SP2 bar term to the other side. So it will become D2 by D1 bracket square, because both the terms are square. Now 2400 divided by 600 is equal to, so it will become SP1 bar divided by SP2 bar. So this ratio we have to find out, ratio of mean piston speed. So this we have to find out. Now if we observe ratio 1:2 is given, so D1 by D2 is given 2 to 1, so D2 by D1, that is 1 by 2. So I will write here D1 by D2 is 2 by 1, so D2 by D1 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 bracket square multiplied by, so this getting cancelled, here is 4 multiplied by 4. If we simplify this, which is equal to SP1 bar by SP2 bar. So here 1 by 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to SP1 bar by SP2 bar. Now if we simplify this, then we can say that this mean piston speed is equal for the engine 1 is equal to mean piston speed of engine 2. So this is the answer, because this is 4 is getting cancelled and ratio is 1:1.